It's still in there.
Yeah, you see that,
boy.
that nice and round shape? Please, please, please be a coin. Oh.
After centuries of intrigue and relentless pursuit, a groundbreaking development has reignited the world's fascination with Oak Island's legendary mysteries. Recent excavations have unveiled a series of remarkable finds. The Oak Island treasure may have finally been found, History Channel has confirmed as such, and revealed some unbelievable water discoveries. These discoveries not only deepen the historical narrative surrounding Jack Adams and his cryptic encounters with Oak Island's secrets but also signal a pivotal moment in unraveling a puzzle that has captivated treasure hunters and historians alike for over 2 centuries. Today, we'll reveal the secrets of this elusive island. Discovery of man-made structures and a tunnel. Using state-of-the-art surveying techniques, researchers have detected a series of metallic anomalies beneath the dense swamp terrain that were previously obscured by natural layers and debris. These findings were substantiated through Jeremy's conductivity mapping, a method employing electromagnetic induction to measure subterranean metal concentrations, which revealed significantly elevated metallic signatures concentrated precisely within the historic target zones. This high metallic presence corroborates long-standing theories that Oak Island's fabled treasure sites conceal not just random artifacts but meticulously crafted caches possibly dating back to the 18th century or earlier. So, what is it that we know about the mysterious Oak Island? And what have we found? Well, before answering the what, we need to understand how and where. Let's start from the very beginning. Oak Island, a small landmass nestled off the coast of Nova Scotia, Canada, has been the epicenter of treasure hunting intrigue for more than 2 centuries. Its enigmatic reputation took root in the late 18th century when a curious depression in the ground, known today as the Money Pit, was first excavated. Subsequent digs revealed tantalizing evidence of human activity, including oak platforms at regular intervals, mysterious carvings, and, most intriguingly, traces of coconut fiber far from any tropical environment. These early discoveries set the stage for a centuries-long pursuit of what many believe to be a hidden cache of priceless artifacts, possibly linked to the Knights Templar, pirate loot, or even the lost manuscripts of Shakespeare. Over the years, various expeditions have turned up a bewildering array of artifacts, from ancient coins to fragments of parchment, yet the central mystery of Oak Island remains unsolved. Theories abound regarding the origins and purpose of the elaborate underground structures, some suggesting an elaborate booby-trapped vault, while others propose an intricate water system designed to protect the contents of a subterranean chamber. Despite numerous setbacks, the Lagina brothers and their team continue to push forward, combining traditional exploration methods with state-of-the-art technology to unlock the island's secrets. The duo, Rick and Marty Lagina, have been featured in the History Channel series The Curse of Oak Island. Their fascination with the island's mysteries began in childhood, inspired by a 1965 Reader's Digest article detailing the enigmatic Money Pit. This early intrigue eventually led them to acquire a 50% stake in Oak Island Tours Incorporated in 2006, partnering with the late Dan Blankenship, a veteran treasure hunter. Rick Lagina, born on January 25, 1952, in Kingsford, Michigan, is a retired U.S. postal worker who has long been captivated by the lore of Oak Island. His brother, Marty Lagina, born on August 26, 1955, also in Kingsford, is an accomplished engineer and entrepreneur. Marty founded Terra Energy Limited, a successful oil and gas exploration company, which he sold in 1995. He later established Heritage Sustainable Energy, focusing on renewable energy solutions. Together, the Lagina brothers have combined their resources and expertise to investigate Oak Island's secrets, employing advanced technology and assembling a team of experts to explore the island's complex underground structures and historical artifacts. One of the most profound revelations came from re-examining the so-called Eye of the Swamp, a shallow depression near the northern edge of the swamp historically dismissed as a natural sinkhole. However, advanced geophysical data and ground-penetrating radar now challenge this assumption, suggesting instead that this feature is a carefully engineered man-made excavation. Its symmetrical shape and unusual soil displacement patterns hint at intentional construction, likely serving as a concealed entrance or ventilation shaft for a subterranean complex. This reinterpretation aligns with oral histories recorded as early as the 1790s, which describe strange structural features and secretive operations around this exact locale. Local legends mention Jack Adams, a farmer and early treasure hunter, who discovered partially submerged wooden beams and artifacts here. Further validation of these man-made constructions emerged from sonar scans conducted deep within the Money Pit borehole, a site infamous since the island's first recorded excavation in 1795. Sonar imaging revealed a massive void approximately 150 feet below the surface, far larger than any previously documented cavity, measuring roughly 30 feet in length and 12 feet in width. This void scale and shape strongly suggest it was not a natural cave but rather a carefully hollowed chamber, possibly designed to house a treasure trove or critical mechanism within the island's labyrinthine underground system. Within this chamber, the sonar data delineated the presence of a well-defined tunnel extending beyond the immediate borehole area. The tunnel's walls appear remarkably uniform and reinforced, hinting at deliberate construction, possibly utilizing timber supports or stone lining typical of 18th-century mining or secret vault-building techniques. Crucially, the tunnel does not terminate abruptly but continues deeper and farther beneath the swamp's waterlogged ground, indicating an intentional passageway leading to a more secure and significant vault or chamber. Signals detected within the void suggest solid materials such as wood remnants or perhaps the remains of a disturbed chamber floor, reinforcing the hypothesis that this was once an active storage or concealment site. This bolsters the theory that the island's creators constructed an elaborate defense system to protect whatever valuables were hidden below. To capitalize on these promising discoveries, the research team has embarked on a comprehensive mapping and analysis phase, integrating the sonar and conductivity data into advanced computer-aided design or CAD software. This digital modeling enables detailed visualization of the subterranean landscape, allowing explorers to pinpoint precise excavation targets and assess structural stability before any intrusive operations commence. The CAD maps are instrumental in formulating a step-by-step strategy that balances aggressive exploration with preservation and safety concerns. Logistical and legal preparations are also underway. The team is actively securing the necessary excavation permits from local authorities, ensuring full compliance with environmental regulations and land use policies. These permits are critical to initiate the final, most ambitious phase of excavation, where large-scale digging and structural reinforcement will be required. Detailed project plans, including environmental impact assessments and contingency protocols, have been drafted to address potential challenges posed by groundwater intrusion and the complex geology of Oak Island. This integrated approach, combining cutting-edge technology, rigorous historical research, and meticulous planning, marks a watershed moment in the pursuit of Oak Island's legendary treasure. After over 2 centuries of mystery, the convergence of modern science with centuries-old folklore is finally transforming rumors into tangible leads. Should the forthcoming excavation phase confirm the existence of the hidden vaults suggested by these findings, it would not only rewrite the history of Oak Island but also validate countless oral accounts and archival records that have long been dismissed as myth. So, what has the team found so far? Additional anomalies and structures in the swamp. Ground-penetrating radar or GPR surveys conducted on Lot 10, a historically significant plot on the island's northern edge, have revealed anomalies that hint at man-made structures buried beneath the swamp's murky depths. These anomalies are particularly concentrated near the northern perimeter, an area that has been the subject of speculation for decades. Initial data suggests the presence of linear formations running parallel to each other, indicating the possible remains of a constructed dam or retaining wall system. These readings are part of a broader effort to systematically scan key areas of the swamp where historical accounts and earlier digs hinted at underground features. Using high-frequency radar pulses, the GPR system produced images of subsurface anomalies at depths ranging from 6 to 12 feet. The most striking findings came from scans conducted between June and July 2024, revealing a dense, linear configuration consistent with compacted earth and timber reinforcement. Historically, Lot 10 has been pivotal in the Oak Island mystery. Throughout the 19th and 20th centuries, treasure hunters consistently identified this area as a potential site of interest, though most efforts were hampered by waterlogging and imprecise surveying methods. The significance of this plot is heightened by accounts dating back to the 1800s when John Smith and Anthony Vaughan, two of the earliest Oak Island explorers, documented unusual stone arrangements and wooden stakes embedded in the swamp bed. These early clues were often overlooked as natural oddities or remnants of more recent human activity.